Hello guys, welcome to this video. We continue with the limit. Okay, so we're having this limit and we want to find out what is it that it's going to give us. So let's find the solution of this limit. Okay, we have a limit as x tends to infinity of the function x e to the power of negative x plus 3 divided by the square root of x, right? Okay, so we having lim x tends to infinity. So if we can just rewrite this is going to be x divided by e to the power of x, right? Then we can just say this is lim x approaching infinity of x divided by x. So this is just basically x to the power 1 over 2, right? So now here we have the limit of um, x over e to the power of x. So if we substitute infinity here and infinity here, we're having infinity over infinity, which is indeterminate form. So now we can apply L'Hospital's rule to find the limit of this. So now we're going to have the derivative here. Okay, we're going to have the limit as x approaches infinity of the derivative of x is 1 divided by the derivative of x of e to the power of x is just e to the power of x plus the lim of x approaching infinity. So here we can just leave it as it is, right? And if we try to find the limit here, if we substitute infinity here, we're just going to have 1 divided by a very large number, and 1 divided by a very large number is going to become 0, right? So it's going to be 0 plus the same here, 3 divided by the square root of a very large number is also just going to be a very large number, so that the limit, our limit is just going to be 0. Okay, very simple. So now we can go to the lim iv, the lim as x approaches 1 from the positive side of in x over x minus y. So if we do the substitution here, and we try to find the ln of 1 is 0, right? Approaching from the positive side. So we're basically going to have 0 over 0. So this gives us indeterminate form. Therefore, it gives us a, so then we can apply all L'Hospital's rule to find our limit. So we're going to have lim x approaching 1 from the positive side. So if we do the differentiation of ln of x, is going to give us 1 over x, right, divided by the differentiation of x is just 1 and the differentiation of 1 is just 0. So now we're going to have the lim of x approaching 1 from the positive side of 1 over x, which is just going to be 1 over 1 which is y. So see you in the next video.